Think you need fancy machines or a gym membership to build serious muscle? Think again. With just a pair of dumbbells and the right exercises, you can pack on size, strength, and definition, all from your home or wherever you train. These 6 dumbbell moves aren't just effective, they're essential. They target every major muscle group and deliver results you'll feel and see. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, this routine will push your limits and spark real growth. So if you're ready to build mass without the fluff, you're in the right place. Grab your dumbbells, because these 6 exercises are all you need to turn your body into a muscle-building machine. Let's get started. Before we start the video, tell me your name and which city you're watching from. Number 1. Goblet squats. She grabbed the dumbbells, unsure at first. Her knees had creaked for years, and squat, those were for the young, or so she thought. But this wasn't just any squat. With a dumbbell in each hand and feet shoulder-width apart, she sank down, slow and steady. Her thighs trembled, her heart pounded, then another. Day by day her legs grew stronger. She could rise from a chair with ease, take stairs like a champ, and carry groceries like they were feathers. The dumbbell squat wasn't just a move, it was her comeback. A simple exercise that turned weakness into power and fear into confidence. Start today. It's not just a squat, it's your new beginning. Number 2. Dumbbell bench press. He lay back on the bench, dumbbells in hand, heart racing. Years ago, he couldn't even lift his grandkids without strain. But today was different. As he pressed the dumbbells up, arms shaking, chest engaged, something shifted. Not just in his body, but in his mindset. The dumbbell bench press wasn't about showing off. It was about reclaiming strength. Each rep built power in his chest, shoulders, and arms. Soon, daily tasks felt lighter, posture improved, and confidence soared. What started as a struggle became a statement. I'm not done yet. This isn't just a chest exercise, it's your second chance. Grab those dumbbells, hit the bench, and press your way into a stronger, bolder version of you. Number 3. Dumbbell rows. She bent over, dumbbell in hand, and pulled like she was lifting her past. Dumbbell rows weren't just about building a strong back, they were about standing tall again. Each rep carved definition into her lats and shoulders, but more than that, it fixed her posture, eased nagging back pain, and made her feel powerful. Once hunched and hesitant, now she moved with confidence like she owned every room she walked into. The dumbbell row turned weakness into resilience. Don't just train your back, rebuild your strength from the ground up. One pull at a time, you rise straighter, stronger, and more unstoppable than ever. Number 4. Dumbbell bicep curls. He picked up the dumbbells, curled, and watched change happen, 1 rep at a time. Dumbbell bicep curls weren't just about arm size, they were about control, discipline, and showing up daily. With each lift, his grip got stronger, his sleeves tighter, and confidence louder. Once struggling to carry bags or open jars, now he flexed with purpose. The pump, addictive. The progress, unstoppable. It wasn't just about building biceps, it was about proving he still had fight strength and drive. Bicep curls are simple, but the impact, massive. So grab those dumbbells, because stronger arms lead to a stronger you. Curl up, show up, and never look back. Number 5. Lateral raises. She lifted the dumbbells out to her sides. Small move, big transformation. At first her shoulders wobbled, arms barely rising. But with each lateral raise, strength quietly built up. Her posture improved, shoulder pain faded, and those once hidden muscles began to pop. It wasn't flashy, but it was powerful. Lateral raises sculpt the side delts, widen the frame, and give that athletic look, without heavy weights. Light dumbbells, strict form, and consistent reps turned her into a powerhouse. This simple move reshaped not just her shoulders, but her confidence. Want that strong, defined upper body look? Start with the lateral raise. Small lift, major impact. Number 6. Shoulders press. He pressed the dumbbells overhead, fighting gravity and his own limits. The shoulder press wasn't just an exercise, it was a challenge, a test of strength, control, and determination. Each rep lit up his delts, triceps, and upper chest, building powerful shoulders and a confident frame. At first, the dumbbells felt heavy, shaky, But week by week, he pressed higher, steadier, stronger. Tasks like lifting, reaching, or carrying became effortless. This wasn't just about muscle. It was about moving through life with power. The shoulder press is your ticket to strength that shows and performs. Raise those dumbbells and raise your standard. Power starts above your head. Keep your core tight and back straight. Don't arch or lean. Stay controlled. Use a full range of motion, pressing straight up and lowering slowly. Choose a weight that challenges you without breaking form. Breathe out as you press, in as you lower. Quality reps always beat heavy, sloppy ones. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.